Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone's cellular data and tethering are allowed, because Hotspot won't work otherwise. Once done, enable the hotspot, choose a clear SSID name, and set a WPA2 password so devices can authenticate. Make sure the phone's battery is above 20% or connect it to power to prevent mid-connection shutdown. These steps remove the usual blockers. From here, you're ready to connect your client device with correct credentials and network selection. You now focus on the client device, scan networks, and pick the hotspot SSID you just created. Enter the WPA2 password exactly, check for auto-fill mistakes, trailing spaces, or wrong capitalization, because authentication fails on small typos. If the device still fails to obtain an IP, temporarily disable any VPNs and make sure airplane mode is off. Once you've tried that, toggle the client Wi-Fi off and on to force a fresh DHCP request, and you finish by verifying the client received an IP like 192.168x and can reach the web. If there's no internet access, reboot the hotspot phone first, because that often clears carrier or DHCP glitches. Next, check your carrier tethering allowance and APN settings. Make sure both devices have software updated. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone as a last resort. This restores connectivity defaults, but requires re-entering saved Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.